Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login8. In this video, I will guide you on how to activate your Metrobank credit card online. Metrobank allows you to activate your credit card online, so if you want to know how to use this service, just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and search for Activate Metrobank Credit Card. Press enter. Now you can see at first the official website for Metrobank card. All you have to do is click on this link and you'll be led to the official website of Metrobank card. Scroll down and here you can see three options: credit card number, credit expiry date and CAPTCHA. All you have to do is provide all the details that they're asking for. First of all, enter your credit card number. Click on the credit card number box and just enter your credit card number. Now you will have to select card expiry date. Just click on this box and several options will pop up. Select your expiry date and also select the year. Now you will have to enter this CAPTCHA. Simply click on this box and copy the text that the CAPTCHA is providing. Now you can see here I've entered the CAPTCHA code, and make sure you provided the correct details over here and then click on proceed button. After you click on proceed button, your Metrobank credit card will be activated. So this is how you activate Metrobank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.